Everyone, so this is Muhammed Aziz. So I'm just coming here today to fix a very common problems for the Python developers. Sometimes the Python commands are not working properly, so I'm currently using a Windows system and see which commands are not working and what the best solution for that one. So as you can see in my screen, we already have the Python installed in our machine, which is 3.12.0 version. But if I just exit from here and see if we have pip installed, saying the pip is not recognized as an internal external command, this doesn't mean the pip is not available in our system. It is available, but the problem is only that maybe we have to use pip3. See, pip3 is also having the same problem. Now this problem is relating to the path variables we have. So first we need to go towards our file explorer. If you go to the C directory, in the C directory, just go towards users, and then this is my user, just quite generic. And in here, just go with the app data, and local, in local, go with the programs, and we have Python here. So in the Python, I'm just using 3.12 version. So I will open this one and then go to scripts. In the scripts, we can see all Django, pip, pip3. Those are automatically already available in our system, and also the SQL format. So what I will need to do, I just copy this path and open the environment variables in our system. There you go, and just click on environment variables, and here just try to find the path. Just edit this one and add this new path here, and okay, now the system knows where the pip3 or pip are available. Even the Django admin is also available. So what I will do, I will just close this one and open again the command prompt, and now if I just check the pip command, so you will see all the pip commands are available, even though the pip3 is also available in our system. This is a very quick fix, but yeah, I hope you like this one. I will try to record more videos, the quick one, so to solve these problems easily. Thank you. Cheers. Tata. Bye bye.